Over 500 million years ago, Earth was silent, lifeless, a world waiting for change. But in the oceans, something extraordinary was about to begin. This was the Cambrian Explosion, life's first great burst of diversity. And among them came hunters. Anomalocaris, the ocean's earliest predator. It hunted trilobites, but even then, prey had defenses. Then came Opabinia, 5 eyes and a clawed trunk, unlike anything we see today. Odd, yet perfectly adapted to its world. Hallucigenia, a worm so strange, scientists once drew it upside down. Its spines were its only defense against the dangers of this new world. For the first time, ecosystems formed. Predators and prey, hunters and survivors. The rules of survival we know today were first written here. In just a few million years, life diversified beyond imagination. From these bizarre ancestors came nearly every major group alive today. Even we can trace our roots back to this strange explosion of life. The Cambrian was short, but it changed everything. It was the true dawn of complex life.